Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of our ICT course. And I'm your presenter Ian Mombe, and let's dive right into the lesson. So today's lesson is computer software. What is a software? Now, a set of instructions given to a computer to solve a particular problem is called a software. Software is a single or collection of programs that perform a particular task. So they are specific, and depending on what kind of software that is, they are specific and perform particular tasks. Okay, so a software is also called a program. Yeah. So note that the different softwares are used to solve different problems. So let's dive into the types of software. So there are two types of softwares on the basis of their functionality. So we have system software or operating system software, system software and application software. So under that, here is a diagram that kind of explains how they work. So you have types of softwares, then you branch into system software and application system software. Then under system software, it also branches on two. So you have communication software and you have operating system softwares. So let's explain them in deeper to understand exactly what we mean here. So let's start with application software. So application software includes programs that do real work for the user. Now, application software is created to perform specific tasks for the user. It is also known as application package. Application system software is used to perform various applications on the computer. It could be mathematical calculations, writing, recording, whatever task that you think about, application softwares will handle that. Examples, we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Photoshop, etc. So we have a lot of application software out there that performs specific particular tasks. Types of application software, we have custom software. Custom software, also known as bespoke software or tailor-made softwares, is a software that is specifically developed for some specific organizations or users. So if today you decide to want to build a software that you want to work in a particular way, in a particular company, organization, could be a school portal or whatever, that will be categorized as a custom or bespoke software or tailor-made softwares, because then it will be built based on what you want to achieve and what you want to be worked on. Then we have also packaged software. Now here is where we have a software that is already made and available for use, lease or license to the general public, just like Microsoft Word is. It's a packaged software developed for a particular use. So it has everything that you might want, and it might have things that you don't want, but obviously you have to get them in other softwares. But that's why it's a packaged software, because the seller of this software only puts in the software what he feels is fit to use the software for. Then when we get into system software, we have system software is a set of programs to control and manage the operations of the computer hardware. So this is what communicates to the hardware directly. It enables application programs to execute properly. It consists of the basic operations as follows: saving data on the disk, making computer to work for us, printing a document, etc. So this is what exactly communicates to the hardware of the computer and allows us to do these tasks like saving data and printing the data for us. And examples of system softwares are operating systems, utility programs, device drivers. Here are some of the examples of operating system softwares: Mac, Linux, Windows, and whatnot. Operating system softwares, or OS. An operating An operating system software is a collection of softwares that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer programs. The operating system software is a vital component of a system software in a computer system. Application programs usually require an operating system to function. So this is exactly what is the environment for the computer. It enables the application programs to run smoothly onto the computer. So application programs cannot run without the operating system software, because this is what helps us to install or uninstall these application software. Then we have utility program. So utility program is a system software that allows the user to analyze, configure, and maintain the computer. It performs a specific task related to the management of the computer. So you might have like computer services. Those are utility softwares that will help you know exactly how the computer runs, how it is working, which applications are running on it, how does it go, and whatnot. You have also like settings on the computer. Those are utility programs that are run on the computer. Then you have device driver. So a device driver is a computer program that operates or controls a particular type of device that is attached to the computer, like printers, sound cards, video cards, network cards. So all these attachments to the computer require certain particular drivers for them to be able to run. So like a printer, it might need a particular driver to be installed onto the operating system for you to be able to have printouts done. Same applies with sound cards. For you to have sounds and you have attached the sound card onto your motherboard, you might need an actual device driver to be able to run that sound card. Video cards, also known as GPU, which is graphics processing units, also need particular drivers to be able to run. So you might have Intel graphics, you might have AMD graphics, you might have GeForce GTX graphics, and so on. So you might need those particular graphics driver software to be able to run on these operating systems, to be able to use those video cards or network cards. Yeah, so whatever that you might need to use these extension cards onto your motherboard or computer, you will need device drivers. And that's the end of our lesson today. So let's meet on the other side with our next lesson, and this time we're going to dive into actual application software to see how best can we handle application softwares, and what application software are we going to look at. And in this case, we're going to start with Microsoft Word. To be able to write and type and use Microsoft Word as our first application system software that we're going to work with. We'll also learn how to handle the computer as a practical. Okay, this was Ian Mombe. Let's meet on the other side.